Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your Snapchat account was compromised. Now, if your account has been involved in some spamming, some unrecognizable logins, sessions and some other activities that doesn't follow the community guidelines, Snapchat doesn't allow you to log in into Snapchat. So in this scenario, you might get the message that your account was compromised or you cannot just log in into the account directly without saying any messages. So in this scenario, I want you to just open your browser, and after opening the browser, search for Snapchat support and then click to this first option that pops up, and it will lead you to the support section of Snapchat. Now you will directly find this my account is compromised into the shortcuts. Click into that option, and after that you can submit a request to Snapchat support team, and after that just simply enter your username into this upper box. Then after that enter your email address into this second box. Then just simply enter the mobile number into this box. After that, at last you have to describe your problem or issue, like for how long you are unable to log in into Snapchat or the more informations regarding the problem. Then click to this submit button, and after that your request will be submitted to the support team of Snapchat and your problem will be fixed as soon as possible. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.